This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 231 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 26 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, stove-top burner, oven, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 231 BHK is 4,860 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.